Hey everybody, it's Chanel Janaea and I'm back with another video. If you want to see me achieve this look, keep watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
But with your outfit and the way you do your hair, I swear to God I'm out the game, you won't know. Been told them other bitches that they gotta go. How you get up in them jeans, let me be the Billy Jeans. Pussy like promethazine, I want more, think I'm a fiend. Girl, you so special, thought I'd meet you in my dreams. I adore your presence, love your circle, you a queen. Baby, turn around, you be the toughest on the phone, I got you running now. Just got off work, you stressing, rub your back and turn you down. In love with you, you lift me up, you know
So during this video, I just want y'all to look at what I'm doing. I will be in and out just to like let y'all know parts of the video that I want to be like really known. So yeah, I bleached the knots already. If y'all want a separate video on how to bleach knots and how to pluck and stuff, just comment and let me know. When you're sewing the closure down, it has to be side, then middle. If you sew it like all the way around without cutting the thread or nothing, it's not going to be flat or even. So side, middle. Side, middle. And I will be using Janaea's extensions. Y'all already know only how I use. If you don't got it, go get it, period. I'm just going to keep sewing side to side. And y'all already know once you flip the track, you have to make sure that point is down. You don't want it lifting up. No, we don't want that. Make sure the stitching is on point. I really feel like making a wig takes a lot of patience because you have to make sure everything is perfect. Everything has to be perfect. Also, make sure that you're not leaving too much space and too little space when you're sewing these tracks in. When I sewed the top, I sewed the track on the closure so it can be like flat together. You know? Stitching. Baby, together, okay? Period. Now you have to just cut the cap where the lace is at. And then, and she's beautiful. But everybody, that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment if you haven't did it already. Subscribe, and I'll be back in the next video. Bye.
I've been on top for a while. NASA chip it to the moon. Fast car make gon' vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set it.